Hi everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you guys a couple quick exercises to increase your finger dexterity if you're a beginner or if you're advanced, if you just want to warm up or something, right? So basically we're going to start with 2 fingers, then we're going to go 3, and then we're going to go 4, and we're going to work our way up. So I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. Super simple. Basically we're going to go 1, 2. So first thing, we'll start at the first fret, let's say. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. See what I did there? So you can do that, okay? And then you can work your way all the way up the fretboard. That warms up your first 2 fingers. Now we're going to go with 3. So we'll start on the first fret again. Make sure you work on your up and down picking as you're doing this, right? You want it to just be a smooth transition. And anyway, the last one is you're just going to do 4 fingers. It's the same repetitive motion. It's the exact same thing. So you can see, I mean, I miss a couple notes and whatever, but hey, that's half the fun of playing all this stuff on guitar, right? So that's what you're doing. You just keep practicing it, and as you practice it more and more, you're going to get more finger dexterity, and your guitar playing is going to improve. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.